Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto with Worldcoin, you might be eager to transfer your earnings to your bank account. In this full guide for 2025, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can do it quickly and securely. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Worldcoin app installed on your smartphone or device. This ensures you have all the updated features for smooth transactions. Once that's done, open the app and log in using your secure credentials, like your email and password or biometric verification. Now, head over to the main dashboard. Look for the Wallet or Funds section. It's usually front and center. Here, you'll see your available balance. Tap on it to access your options. Next, find and select the Withdraw or Transfer to Bank button. This is where the magic happens. You'll be prompted to link your bank account if you haven't already. If it's your first time, enter your bank details carefully and verify them through the app's security process, which might include a one-time code sent to your phone. Once linked, choose the amount you want to withdraw. Remember to check for any minimum limits or fees. After that, review your transaction details to avoid any mistakes. Hit Confirm and follow any additional verification steps, like a PIN or facial recognition, to keep your funds safe. Depending on your bank and Worldcoin's processing time, your money should appear in your account within a few minutes to a couple of days. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw money from the Worldcoin app to your bank account in 2025. Always double-check for the latest app updates, as processes can change. If you run into any issues, reach out to Worldcoin's support. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.